So many girls in here, where do I begin? I see this one, I'm about to go in. Then she says, I'm here with my friend. She got me thinking, and that's when I say, where them girls at, girls at? Where them girls at, girls at? Where them girls at, girls at? So don't get down, we can all be friends. Hey, bring it on, baby, all your friends, you the shit, and I love that body. You wanna ball explicit, I swear you're good, I won't tell nobody. You gotta be FF, I wanna see that girl, it's all women invited. Hairdos and nails, that Louis Chanel, all up in the party. Presidents in my wallet, no rules, I'm bout it. Blow the whistle for the hottest. I got it. Shorty, it's never too much. Keep me doing too much. 10 to 1 of me, I can handle that love. Bottles in my reach, we can all get buzzed. Holla, cause I'm free to whatever, it's no rush.
So many boys in here, where do I begin? I see this one, I'm about to go in. Then he said, I'm here with my friend. He got to thinking, and that's when he said,
Where them girls at, girls at? Where them girls at, girls at? Where them girls at, girls at? So go get down, we can all be friends.
yo, PB, who's People Bryson? 2 years ago, I renewed my license. Anyway, why'd I start my verse like that? You can suck on nurli, you can suck on a bullsack. No, I don't endorse that. Pause that, abort that. Just the other day, I go to London, saw that kids in the street, paparazzi, all that. Hey, what can I say? Day to the day, the day to the day. Coming through the club, all the girls in the back of me. This ain't football, why the fuck they tryna tackle me? Really? I peeped dude at the bar like Billy, looking like he want a good time like Billy. Said he got a friend from my homegirl Lily.
So many girls in here, where do I begin? I see this one, I'm about to go in. Then she says, I'm here with my friend. She got me thinking, and that's when I say, where them girls at, girls at? Where them girls at, girls at? Where them girls at, girls at? So go get down, we can all be friends.
Big Snoop Dogg. Can you be my doctor? Can you fix me up? Can you wipe me down? So I can make you give it up till you say my name like a jersey. Shutting down the game, be my head coach, so you can and never take me out till you can taste the wind. Do it again and again till you say my name. And by the way, I'm so glad. I just wanna make you sweat. I wanna make you sweat. I just wanna make you sweat. I wanna make you sweat. I just wanna make you sweat. I wanna make you sweat. I just wanna make you sweat. I wanna make you sweat. Can you get me up like I'm late from my first class, so I can give it to you off like a first draft? Hold you like a paper plane, you know I got paper, babe. But them dollar bills, girl, make it rain. Holiday Inn, come and meet me on my 8th floor. Damn, it feels good, but just wanna make you sweat. I wanna make you sweat. I just wanna make you sweat. I wanna make you sweat. Sweat. I just wanna make you sweat. I wanna make you sweat. I just wanna make you sweat. I wanna make you sweat. 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 Where you going? What you say? I'm with her river flowing to another lake by the ocean, on the beach, on the beach. Let me dip my feet and make you sweat. I just wanna make you sweat. I wanna make you sweat. I just wanna make you sweat. I wanna make you sweat. Sweat. I just wanna make you sweat. I wanna make you sweat. I just wanna make you sweat. I wanna make you sweat. Sweat. I just wanna make you sweat.
You shut it out, but I can't hear a word you say. I'm talking loud, not saying much. I'm criticized, but how your bullets ricochet. Shoot me down, but I get up. I'm
drunk. Girl, you know what I want, and you don't have to ask me, cause I'm so fucked up. Put more inside my cup, I can feel it in my veins. And keep your peace of mind, I just want your brains. Now go insane, I'm higher than a plane, and everything is blurry, I cannot see a thing. Move, bitch, get out my way. And it's my party, do what the fuck I say.
All I wanna do is drink, get drunk, party hard, get crunk, stupid, I'm going crazy, then make out with all the ladies. I'm an animal, a party animal.
High five, I'm turned on by the lights. It makes me feel like I'm flying through the sky. Who got the glow sticks? I'm feeling on her tits, and I think that she likes it cause she grinding on my. Oh shit, where did I drop my whip? Tell me where is my waitress? Bartender to my VIP, sexy, sexy girl strip. I might give you a tip. Look both ways before crossing or you just might hit.
All I wanna do is drink,